Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we will going to see how Intersect works in Spark SQL. So in this exercise, what I am going to do, with the help of a create table command, I am creating this table. These are the columns of this table, and the table is of a delta type. I am inserting 5 records with the help of an insert statement. Here also I am creating a second table with the help of a create table command. This is the name of the table. I am inserting 6. So I am defining 6 column and its data types. The table is of a delta. I am also inserting 5 records in this table. And once this both table gets created, data gets populated, then I will show you how this intersects works. How the intersect works, it will going to take all the data from this table, all the data from this table, and see which are matches in both the tables, and those matching records will be displayed here. So let's do this exercise over Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Name the notebook as Intersect. Connect this with our running cluster. We need to create table, so we have already created in previous exercise. Let me copy the data. Let me copy the code. And here, let me change Intersect. Let me run it. Sorry. So this table has been created successfully. We need to insert some records. So we need to create the insert statement. I have already created it. So let me copy. Let me run it. Okay. I think the table name is this one. So let me change the table name. And then run it. Records are getting inserted. All the records are inserted. Let me do a select. Okay, these are the same records which we have inserted. Let me create another table. And rename it as a target. Sorry. Create it. Let me insert some records. So I have already created the insert statement. Let me change the table name. Let me run it. So records are inserted. So let me do a select. Select star from. So these are the same records which we have inserted. Now let's do a intersect. So select star from. Let me select the first table. This is the first table. And then what we are doing, intersect. Intersect, select start from this table. Let me format it so it will be more visible there. So what I'm just doing, I'm just selecting all the records from this table and selecting all the records from this table and intersecting it. So what does it mean? It will going to take all the matching records which is present in these two tables. So let me run it. This is the only one records which are the matching records. So the matching has been performed on each and every column of the table. So this is the only records which is matching. See, each and every column values are same. So in this way we have seen how we can intersect two tables with the help of an intersect clause, and this intersect clause will going to return all the matching records which is present in between tables. So let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.